Paint the new door jamb to match the rest of the doorway by preparing, priming, matching, and finishing with deliberate, repeatable steps. Start by inspecting the existing trim to determine whether it is painted or stained and note the sheen and any wear patterns. If it is painted, gently sand the new jamb with fine sandpaper until smooth, then wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust and apply a high-quality primer designed for the jamb material, allowing full dry time between coats. This seals raw wood and prevents bleed-through. For painted trim, match the original paint by taking a small sample or a clear photo to a paint store for a color match, and buy the same finish level, such as satin or semi-gloss, to ensure consistent reflectance. Apply 2 thin, even top coats with a good angled sash brush for control and keep wet edges to avoid lap marks. If the existing trim is stained, sand the new jamb progressively from medium to fine grit to open the grain, then test stain samples on a scrap of the same species or the jamb end grain, because wood species and grain absorb dye differently. Note that staining often requires multiple thin coats to build color rather than one heavy coat. After you hit a visual match, wipe with a lint-free cloth between coats, let penetration times vary by product, and remove any excess to prevent blotches. Follow with a clear sealant or top coat that matches the sheen and durability of the surrounding trim. For transitions and joints, use a small flexible brush and back roll with a foam brush when painting to smooth brush marks. And for stained joints, blend by feathering out stain beyond the seam so the eye sees a continuous surface. Common mistakes start with skipping proper sanding, which makes primer and stain adhere unevenly, so always sand to a consistent smoothness and remove all dust before finishing. A second issue is using a mismatched sheen, which reveals the repair even when color is right, so match the original finish level and test in the same lighting where the jamb will be seen. Third, applying too much product at once causes runs, uneven absorption, or visible brush strokes, so use thin coats, allow full cure between layers, and inspect under natural light to catch imperfections early. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information tailored to home repairs like trim and jamb finishing. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, find referrals, and post pictures so we all learn from real projects.